Along the way, having worked so many years in fashion, was I kept hearing some experts say, don't dry your clothes. And I thought, well, wait, how like in a dryer, how are they going to get dry? You know, use it on ultra low heat. But realizing many of our favorite shirts that have things like modal and all these soft, dreamy fabrics, we put them in the dryer and they will never be the same. Well, PS Home brings us a 2-tier collapsible laundry rack on wheels. So if you want to be able to dry your clothes, kind of line dry them without having to put them in the harsh dryer, you've got the perfect space to do it. And you don't need to have space for a big clunky laundry mat, or laundry rack, I should say. But look at all the different ways to use this. So we're going to talk about winter, spring, and summer, and how this drying rack will be a game changer. So I've got a few different colors. The one that we have set up with all the clothes, that one's in black. All of them really have a silver kind of, steel base, but what you're shopping by is the arms and the accent color. So this one's black. I also have it in navy. And then come on over here, we do have it in white. So really nice and fresh and clean. Now, if you're thinking about using this in some different ways, maybe it's a coat rack. Maybe it's what the kids are putting all of their jackets and sweaters and hats and gloves after they come inside from playing in the snow, because all those clothes are wet, right? They come in with snow on them and then they come in sopping wet. This is where you put them to dry. So $49.98. It is a really nice collapsible design. I'll show you how to set this one up here in just a second. The black right here, and really any color, this one that's set up, the hanging rack itself, it only weighs about 5 pounds. But each tier, it can hold 30 pounds of clothing. You have notches along the way so you can place a hanger, or you could even just hang something over this bar if you wanted to just lay it on over versus putting it on a hanger. You have 3 tiers on the top, and then you also have 3 additional tiers on the bottom. Let me show you how to set up the navy, because it's really cool. When you're storing it all the way down, these legs, they can tailor in. So you might have just a tiny little spot where it can stand up vertically in your closet, or maybe it's the space next to your washer and dryer. You've got that little nook. You slide this right along there, right in the closet in the entryway. You pop the legs open. They do have wheels. The wheels can be locked, which is great if you did want to use this maybe as a coat rack in the entryway. Sometimes we host the Cub Scouts events at our house and we don't really have a lot of space for all of our guests to hang their coats. When you're hosting, this comes out and it becomes the place for everybody to hang their coat and their jackets when they come to visit. The top will just slide right open. And what's really cool is it's a twisting mechanism. So once you twist it, you'll feel it kind of lock into place. There we go. And then it's nice and sturdy. These arms just slide right open and lock into place. And if you do have, maybe you're putting this up against a wall and you don't have as much space to have all 3 arms, you don't have to have all 3 arms open and working. You could just put 1 or 2, but you do have that full tier design. So right here is that navy color. And then whether you want to leave the wheels or you want to lock them in place, you can do that. This one's been the most popular. So we have it in black. We have the navy, which is everyone's grabbing, especially if you want to leave this out, or maybe you just pull it out when you have a party or a get together, because this is where everybody can put their bags and their coats. It can hold 30 pounds. And then we also have it available for you in the white. And here you can see the tiered design's been collapsed. It will also collapse into kind of a nice straight long silhouette to store, because the legs will tuck in themselves too. If you did want to take apart each piece and maybe store under a bed, you can easily do that as well. I like to leave it semi-assembled, because I think then you're more likely and it's easier to just pull it out when you need it. On laundry day, when you have those soft, beautiful, delicate fabrics that you don't want to dry in the dryer, maybe, for me, a lot of my running clothes, honestly, the more that I dry them, the more that I see it's tough on the seams, they don't look as good. You air dry it. I find cotton things, I love to just air dry. They maintain their silhouette. The beauty of the fabric lasts longer, and this becomes that really great kind of zone to do it. Yesterday, my kids were out playing in the snow, and they come inside and their coats are wet because they were doing snow angels and they were sledding, and they have scarves and they have hats and they have mittens. And where do you put it all? We have a small entryway. We don't have a ton of space for it to hang. You set it on here. Come summer, this becomes the place for beach towels. So a really great way to get organized in your home and add some function with PS Home. Choose the white in our 3-tier laundry rack. Navy's been a really popular color. And then we also have it in the black. The whole thing weighs less than 5 pounds. and it can hold up to 30 pounds of clothes. It compacts down to nearly nothing. A great steam rack too. V85047 is going to be your item number.